So using this factor is a very, very productive product when we're fishing with lures. How we going? Still on. So that's a simple fact using it. Just doing my washing, dear.
Yeah, guys. You're right, buddy.
I needed a haircut anyway.
Pretty good with it.
How much wind do you like?
Oh,
They're pretty
not a
stable.
lot.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a little bit of fun here with Justin and Hunter. Now, we haven't actually put a lure in the tank, so we haven't even tested them out. So I don't know. These little barra you see here, folks, actually come from Sunnybank Fish. Trying to stand on the end, right on the end there. And I'm just going to get you to wind it when I say, all right? Yeah, when we're fishing with little ones, mums and dads today, swash the barb on the hook. All right, who's that hook in the finger? Yeah, not fun, is it? Okay, so you swash that barb when you're fishing with the little ones. It's a pinprick, a band-aid, and everybody keeps on fishing. All right, if that barb's not squashed, it's not going to be fun. Yeah, we're back home, back to the hospital. My goodness, no one's going to like that. All right, you ready, Hunter? Let's see if the fish have a play. Come on, wind him up. I think we got one, Hunter. Wind. Woohoo! Here we go. Oh, damn, a bit too quick. Go. Oh, he's on, Hunter. He's on. There we go.
He's not going to give it up either.
He's not going to give it back. Hey! Because they're our pets, we don't want to give them sore lips. Alright, let's get
Alright, we're looking for number 51. Green A51.
Go. Oh, you had a late start. Oh, there we go. Woo-hoo. So close. Alright, here we go. Here's a buff and some squidgies. Through there. Awesome. So you haven't, no, everybody else had a go? You haven't had a go?
She won the boat. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our 2022 inaugural boat winner for the cadets. Good Fantastic. Boys, have you got your eye on anyone in particular?
Oh, look, now we're going to keep it to the last second before we give up our cards.
Perfect, excellent. Good response. Righto, 2 boats, 6 skates. Tell us a bit about the name.
Like, the name was probably after the 3 nights at the pub, and it was just a terrible name. They were all terrible, and then we just picked that one.
Come on.
So, do you want to tell us about the masks? Was it the 4th day at the pub?
Yeah, the masks were a terrible idea. I could tell by 600 people laughing at us that it was a terrible idea.
Oh, I think it's more like 650 now, but anyway. Well, thanks for coming back. You've done a full reshuffle. You were a different team name last year, a different look. Do you feel confident?
Always confident, mate, always a threat. Didn't way of fishing, but always a threat.
Always a threat. Love to see it. Thanks for coming, guys. Couple of Woodgate locals. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Who's going to be our star speaker for the Walkers Point team? Oh, you want to be the speaker? Tell us, what's your name?
Oliver.
Oliver. And where are you from, Oliver?
From
Rainbow. You come all the way down from the Rainbow. That's a big trip. How many years have you been coming?
This is the first year.
First year. Fantastic. How did you find out about the Woodgate Beach Hotel Fishing Classic?
I don't know.
I'm asking some hard questions. Nanny told him. How long has Nanny been coming for?
This is the first.
Oh, you too. Anyone been here longer than 1 year? Wow. And you might even take out the top prize. Imagine that. Geez, you'd hate them if they took it out in the first year. Wow. Oh, incredible. What a turnout. How many of you? 16 in their first year. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Walkers Point fishing team. Thank you very much, guys. Tell us a bit about yourselves. Yeah, perfect. Does he forget to put the bungs in? He has once. Were you on board? Did you need VMR? Did you need RSEQ live flight? Okay, maybe you should buy tickets and memberships just in case, because Dad might forget to do it again next time. We'll have you say lucky. All right, good stuff. Where he's from? Mackay. You travelled down from Mackay. Fantastic. Well, welcome to Woodgate Beach Hotel. That's a quick little 900 k's and 9-hour journey. Roadworks make it there. All right, guys, how you going? Who wants to talk? Yeah. Tell us a bit about you, mate. Second year, did you have a team in the Best Dressed Teams event, or did you see it last year, get inspired by the stunt mullets and decide that's what I want to be when I grow up?
Yeah, I did have a mullet. We did see it last year. Like, please.
You had a mullet and they wouldn't let you join the team. And you had a genuine mullet.
It was a filthy one too.
It's a filthy mullet. It was a real filthy mullet.
Yeah, we are. We are still waiting on someone, but I reckon we should win it because we got the most working 5 miles to get here.
Right, who's the furthest travelled?
It's come from Catherine, and I'll go from Melbourne.
Wow, you couldn't get two further apart. All right, and how do you all know each other?
Just mates for years ago, so been coming a long time. A couple of the boys here from the start, so yeah.
And thoughts on the event? What do you think from? It's been come for a couple of years. It's grown quite significantly. What do you think we're at? You know, if there was a top 5 and we were in the top 2, what would we be, 1 or 2?
Oh, you'd have to go back at 1, wouldn't you? I mean,
Perfect. The winners of the Best Dressed Team, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. That means they can't win this event because that's just too much. So, who wants to talk, Jeremy? Okay. So, tell us where you're from, why you came up, and a little bit about your team.
Well, we're from Harvey Bay, and we are